This is how to use the canvas mode in Leonardo AI. I am going to change my fine-tuned model. If you want, you can choose the same as mine. In this section of Leonardo AI, we can choose a starting image to work on. As you can see, the platform provides several options to select images from. Your generations, these are images you've previously created or uploaded to the platform. Community feed here, you can browse a wide variety of images shared by the Leonardo AI community. You're free to pick whichever image catches your eye as a starting point. Follower feed. This displays images from creators you follow within the Leonardo AI ecosystem. Collections. You can also pick images you've saved into your personal collections for easy access. Now that we have our base image, let's get to the editing process. Here I'm working on a medieval-themed image and focusing on the shield the character's holding. In this part of the canvas editor, we're using the erase mode to remove the shield. Using the eraser tool allows us to clear out the existing element in the image so that we can replace it with something new. Once the shield has been removed, the blank space becomes a canvas for generating a new design. Next, we input a custom prompt in the text box to guide the AI on what we want to create. For example, I typed in, "Make a shield from the Romanian Empire era." Once the prompt is entered, the AI processes it and generates an image to fit our specifications. Let's see what result we got. And here's the final result. As you can see, the AI generated a beautifully detailed shield that matches the description I provided in the prompt. This is just one example of how you can use Leonardo AI to create and modify images in unique and creative ways. I'm expanding the canvas on both the left and right sides to add more background. This step helps to give the artwork more breathing room and makes it feel less confined. Using the canvas mode, I adjusted the dimensions of the image to ensure there's enough width for the outpainting process. Leonardo AI's intuitive design lets you control these settings easily, so you can focus on creativity rather than technical details. After adjusting the dimensions, I simply select one side at a time and let the AI generate the additional background. The AI's capability to create balanced and coherent designs eliminates the need for long and detailed prompts. Next, I'm extending the canvas downward. This can be particularly useful when you want to emphasize your character's stance or reveal more of their environment. Here, I simply select the lower section of the canvas using the selection tool and let Leonardo AI work its magic. Again, no complex prompts are needed. The AI intuitively understands the context of the image and ensures the new background blends seamlessly with the existing elements. In this step, we're focusing on adding background to the top of the image. Using the outpainting feature in Leonardo AI, I've selected the upper section of the canvas where I want to extend the scene. This feature is incredibly handy for creating extra space for text in promotional materials, banners, or thumbnails. It can also help to reframe the subject and improve the composition of your art. Now, I will show you the difference between the Draw Mask feature and when you make a mask with the Erase feature. First, let's start with the Draw Mask tool, which allows us to define areas on the image that we want to modify. Here, I'll use this tool to cover the character's face entirely. Once the mask is drawn, the AI will generate 4 different Halloween mask variations. This gives us the flexibility to choose the one we like the most. Here's the generated mask I like the best. Now let's move to the next step, where we will adjust the position of our image. After generating the mask, we can freely move the image around. Notice that I'm dragging the image to adjust its placement. You can reposition the image without affecting the design of the mask. This is helpful if you want to focus on different parts of the image, or if you simply want to align it better within your canvas without disturbing the AI-generated details. Finally, let's experiment with the Erase feature to create even more mask variations. Just like before, we'll erase the area over the character's face and then use the same Halloween-themed prompt. The AI will again provide us with 4 new mask options to choose from. I'll pick one that stands out the most. It's all about finding what fits your vision for the artwork. This erase and regenerate workflow is great for testing out different styles while staying within the same theme. I like this one the most. One of the most crucial tools in Leonardo AI is the mask, which allows you to control the areas of your image you want to modify. Draw Mask tool lets you paint over parts of the image where you want the AI to apply changes. For instance, in the screenshot, the mask has been applied to the figure's face, enabling you to transform it with effects like a Halloween mask or glowing eyes. Think of this tool as defining where the AI will act. The Erase Mask tool, on the other hand, removes sections of an existing mask. For example, if you accidentally masked an area you didn't want to modify, you can simply erase it without affecting other parts of the mask. This gives you precise control over your edits. Draw Mask adds new areas for the AI to alter. Mirror's Mask removes parts of the mask to exclude them from changes. This combination of tools ensures you can precisely edit your image and get the results you envision. The Sketch tool is designed to allow us to quickly add or adjust specific elements in our artwork. Take a look at the workspace. The pink highlighted tool on the left is the Sketch feature. By selecting this tool, we can draw directly onto the canvas in the form of basic shapes or freehand sketches. Once we activate the tool, Leonardo AI uses the instructions in our prompt to refine and interpret the sketch. Now let's use this tool to fill his arm. Here in the prompt area, you can see I've written the description. After applying the Sketch tool and executing the prompt, here's the result. Look at the arm on the warrior. Leonardo AI has done an incredible job filling it with detailed armor plating that matches the original style. The metallic sheen and intricate design perfectly integrate with the rest of the character's outfit, maintaining the visual harmony of the image. This is a prime example of how Sketch Mode is incredibly useful for fixing incomplete areas in your artwork, adding intricate details that blend seamlessly with the existing style, experimenting with new ideas directly on the canvas without needing advanced artistic skills. Let's go quickly over all of the features on the left side of the screen. First up, we have the Select feature, which is represented by this arrow icon on the left toolbar. You can see here that I've used it to highlight a specific area of the artwork. This tool lets us interact with individual elements or selected regions of our canvas. For example, if you want to move, resize, or modify a specific part of the design, this is your go-to tool. Think of it as your basic interaction tool for navigating and editing elements in the workspace. Next, we move to the Draw Mask feature, which is located just below the Select tool. Masks are powerful when you want to isolate a specific part of your artwork. For instance, I've drawn a rectangular mask around the character's chest area. With this mask, I can modify the selected part without affecting the rest of the image. This is particularly useful when you're refining details or applying specific edits, like changing textures or enhancing colors. The Erase feature comes next. This tool, as its name suggests, allows us to remove parts of the canvas selectively. Whether you want to clean up unwanted elements or make space for new additions, the Erase feature gives you the precision you need. In this example, I might use the Erase tool to remove the background around the figure or adjust any overlapping areas. Now let's add some text to the canvas using the Text tool. Adding text allows you to create titles, labels, or even captions directly on the artwork. Here I can type something like Roman Empire Warrior to complement the theme of this artwork. The Text tool provides options to customize font style, size, and placement. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice several adjustable settings. For example, you can control the canvas mode with In-Paint Out-Paint, tweak the in-paint strength, or adjust the image dimensions. From here, you can delete your image when this panel opens up. You have to click Yes, but if you want to install it, you have to use this feature.